9/27/24, we got the 2014 Infinity qx60 fan out. So most of the things is just like other videos. Tie this back, take this connector off, 10mm, engine cover, get the module out. The module sitting there, that's the OEM one. O'Reilly ones, I think it's included, but I think I'm gonna just use the original one. And then you can notice that the battery's here, no tray. I got 3 of the connectors out. I left that one there, and then I took the 2 13mm out for the PC, and I'm just gonna push it that way a little bit. And then I took a flathead screwdriver. I pried off the ground, this ground thing here, ground wire, that's important. And then took off a clip here, and now the whole thing is ready to come out. So it looks like that. It's probably been like an hour or something. I had to get all these tools ready. Let's see if we get this baby out. Push the PC back. Everything is a tight squeeze. I think that PC connector really needs to come out. So let's push this baby back in. State of limbo land.